So, you know, you go on the internet, you grab some bits of code here and there, and they're poorly commented. So you're like, okay, what does this do? Well, a good way to find out is just turn it off and see what breaks, I guess. Let me go over here. Oops, I gotta save here first. Go there. Nothing broke. Okay, so I don't even know I have that in there. Maybe just some bit of code I copied. If anything breaks, I can always put it back. Some little bit that had something to do with something else. Yeah, I distill all of this down into the least amount of code possible. Yeah. Okay. So I believe I said in an earlier video here that there wasn't like a single command to just clear the entire screen. Yeah, that's not entirely correct. Let me demonstrate one here. I'm going to go all the way up to here and just delete all that for the time being. Okay, so it's a string operation, repeat string operation, SB there. That should fill the video memory with the color specified. So we'll want to specify a color. Let's see. So I'm gonna move into the lower accumulator BO XO3, which I'm sure just 3 will do just fine. Let's see. And we have to tell it how many times to repeat. So we're going to use our traditional counter into there. Since it's the entire screen, we want to calculate the entire screen into CX 320 times 200, like that. And let's see. And we want to tell it to start at the beginning too. So XOR DI. Let's see what happens. I'm just going to save that. Yeah. Okay. I am hinting enter here. Why is it not entering? There. I have to enter twice. Okay. There. We have cleared the entire screen. The color blue, which we have set here, the color 3. So you could change that to something else. And oops, I did the boo-boo there. Control Alt G. Get that. Alt F4. What do we got? Yeah, so that's another color. No, see. Let me just go back to 3 here, but I'm gonna take this, copy this whole thing, and then undo a bit until I get back to where we were before. There's the whole thing. So we can therefore put up here before the draw loop. I'm going to clear the screen here. Paste. Save that. Have a look. We cleared the screen. Hang on here. Where's our animation though? Let me guess. I'm reusing DI here. Oops. I'm going to copy this and then right down here. Clear it again. There's our animation. but the pixel is still clearing the screen in the old background color here. So where do we set that background mask color? 3. There. Animated pixel on a background. Okay, but we cleared the screen outside of the draw loop there. So observe here. Here we put a value into CX, yeah, but we never decreased CX. See, this function, whatever you want to call it, automatically looks in CX and does the counting for you. You know, you just have to have a value in there. You know, so there's it's built in. Okay, so that is clear screen. I see where I made a slight error here. I didn't need to XOR DI a second time there. I just needed to set. I should have pasted this above that. So it would be like that. There. I don't think I need this either. Let's try that. Yeah. Starts from the initial position, animates against the background. There you go.